my friend got this for me at her workplace. It is a massive bow. It is massive, and she told me it's really good. And she even brought a sauce for me. It's not, I don't think the shop gave her this, but you know, she's from China, so she gave me like a Chinese sauce that she got from home to try with this. I'm gonna do that. Wow, this bao is massive. Okay, this plate kind of like, oh, wrap this up and microwave this. Open this and see if it's cooked enough. Wow. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. This is the sauce that my friend gave to me. It's 烧椒酱, I think. I don't know why it's 烧椒, like pepper, kinda. It's like black. I had it with my friend. Like this. I don't know if you can see it. It's all the meat inside. Excited. It's kind of hot, so I'm just gonna use a fork. Oh my god! I think I put too much of the sauce. It's so saucy. But the meat, oh my gosh, so juicy. Guess what I brought out? If you can tell, I'm wearing this fluffy pants, right? And this is actually the full set to this fluffy pants. And what is it, you may ask? It is a capybara suit. I don't know what you call this, but it's like a, I don't know what you call this, but this, and these are paws. So at the end of the year, I'm going to go to another 17 concert, and recently I've been watching a lot of TikTok videos where people are decorating their concert light sticks, and I kind of want to do that with mine soon, I'm thinking. So this is what the light stick looks like. If you can see, it's like black. Like this is the most recent version of the light stick. Like it used to be a color of like blue and rose quartz and blue and sky blue, and I want to decorate it into something really cute. Like I've seen a lot of like people decorating their like sticks like super cutely. Look at that. Yeah, so it makes me a little interested, and I'm kind of curious. 다음에 Oh my god, it looks so sad. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm a little bit embarrassed to show you guys this mess. So I'm just gonna eat it quietly. I even think I can hold it up. It's hilarious.
I mean, didn't they just do a job together in New York? Yeah, didn't they just destroy the DSS field office in LA by throwing each other through it?
Oh my god.
I beat the shit out of you.
I just came home from the convenience store and supermarket. I want to show you what I got. One of the things that I really want to try, I saw this on Japanese TikTok and I was like, this looks good. I can't wait to try it. Everybody has been raving about this. This is from Family Mart, by the way. So if you guys are anywhere in Japan, you should give this a try as well. I wanted to show you guys was the couple of soups that I got. So I got this tomato potage soup. Yum, looks good. And I also got this tomato sour, how do I say, sour spicy soup. This one in they have this one in a noodle form, and the soup is so good. So I didn't know they sell the soup separate, so I got it. Next, look at this. Oh my gosh, this is tarako cream soup pasta. So this is like a tarako, like mentaiko, like a cold raw cream soup pasta. It looks so good. I can't wait to try this. You know, since it's the winter, it's like the perfect time, you know, to try out new things, especially soups. Wait, let me just adjust this camera a little. Yeah. This might not seem super delicious, but I'm quite interested in this one. This one is horenso, so it's like spinach potage, but this has 3 types of cheese in it. Doesn't this sound so good, girl? I can't wait. Kabocha, we have pumpkin potage. I can't wait to try this out.
초콜릿